Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Inflation problems can be tricky, but we can solve this fast. Let's find the actual real interest rate using the Fisher equation right now. First, we need the correct formula for the real interest rate. It equals the nominal interest rate minus the actual inflation rate. Don't let the expected inflation rate distract you. Now let's plug in our given numbers. The nominal rate is 2% and the actual inflation is 4%. We subtract 4 from 2 to find our missing value. This calculation results in negative 2%. The actual real interest rate is negative 2%, which matches option B. Well done! Scan now, watch signs and avoid rushing. Trust given values and check steps to ensure you find the correct answer every time.